Hello my happy
Hi
family,
guys.
once again you are welcome back again to Joy Kitchen BCN. On this video guys, today I'm going to show you how I prepare this special or delicious Isi Ewu, popularly known as one of the Igbo special dishes. So if you are interested, let's get started together. So these are the recipe I'm going to be using. The first thing I'm going to be using here is this is a one goat head cut into 4 parts. The place I bought it, so they helped me to cut it into 4 parts. So I also have 1 kilo fresh that I'm also going to be adding. So this is a palm oil. Here also I have a Ugba. Here is a dry Abasha. Some salt. And here is a Utazi leaf. I put it inside the freezer. Anytime I need it, I will take part of it. You can lay your hands on the fresh one. I think it's more better. So this one is a grounded crayfish, seasoning, and potash. Scotch bonnet pepper. So this one you can put it as your choice, less than that or more than that. This is a sliced onions. So I have these red onions for garnishing. I also have a little bit of a spinach for garnishing, but if I can lay my hand on a Utazi fresh one, I will not use the spinach. So I will use my pressure pot. So I will introduce it there and make sure it's well seasoning. I will add some salt, my chopped onions, seasoning cube, Scotch bonnet pepper. Once I am done, I will add some water also. Please make sure that the water is not too much, because this is not pepper soup. If the water is too much, you will not get the taste. So the next thing, I'll take it straight to my gas. So this is the goat's brain. I'm supposed to add it to the same pot, but it escaped me. What I will now decide to do, I use a different pot. So this one is ready. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now, and I will make sure that I take up the bones, okay, and I will slice this into a chewable size. Guys, one good thing about this Isi Ewu is once your goat meat is ready, know that your Isi Ewu is ready to be served. So fast to prepare, and with a little recipe, not really expensive, but super delicious, wonderful, well presentable. So for the family, for your guests, or in any occasion, there is no one you are going to serve Isi Ewu or a plate of Isi Ewu and he will tell you no. It can't be rejected, except if it's not well prepared. So I hope you are watching. Now I am done. So this is how the size looks like. Not really too big and not really too small, just a chewable size. So the next thing I'm going to be doing, and I'm going to soak this Abasha. I'm going to soak it about 10 minutes. And this one don't really need soaking. Ugba, I'm going to just rinse it. I will put it aside. So this one you can put more or put less, just your choice. This is your choice, you know. So once I am done, the next thing I'm going to be doing, I will bring the goat's brain here. I will now use my fork to mash it so that it will be smooth. So once it's ready, I'll put that one outside. This is a potash. In my tribe we call it a account. So I will break it and try to make it to become a powder form. Guys, I hope you are watching. So once this one is ready now, the next thing I will also put it aside. So we are about to prepare the Isi Ewu now. Can you see how I started it? I'll first of all put my potash. I'll start adding my palm oil. But why some people will start with the palm oil, so the next thing they will not add potash. But anyone that works for you, you will see arrive in the same results. So the next thing, I'll start adding the same liquid that I got from the goat hair. I'll start adding it to it. So once I see that the thickness is okay, I will stop. This one can take you about 5 to 6 minutes before it to get thick like this that you are seeing. So I add the powdered pepper, seasoning, and crayfish. I also have some salt also to taste. So this is the goat brain that I earlier put aside. So everything will now come to the same bowl. Once everything is here, the next thing you test it. So you see if you are okay with the taste, if it's necessary to add anything. So it's you that is preparing it that will be able to know that if it's necessary to add anything, you add it. Thereafter, I will introduce my Ugba to it. In my tribe, we also call this one Ugba, the Ugba. So I will add my Abasha. I'll add it to it. So this Abasha, I only allow it to stay like 7 minutes inside the water. If you overstay or you soak it for too long, it will not become so soft, and the outcome of it, you might not really like it. So this one is the Utazi. As I earlier said, if you can lay your hands on the fresh one, more better. Or there is a dry one also, more better. So in case if you cannot lay your hands on the dry one, this was a fresh one, but in order not to spoil, I kept it in my freezer. Anytime I need it, I will take a portion that I want, make use of it. I will also slice my scotch bonnet pepper for garnishing. I'll add a little, reserve a little also for garnishing. Now that the Ugba is ready, or the sauce is ready, I will not introduce the goat meat. You see that once the goat meat is already here, so you are not going to cook it again. You might just put it on fire to hot, but it's going to be in a very low heat. Okay, so that is why you need to season it very well from the first place. Guys, if you are new on this channel and you have not yet subscribed and you like what you are seeing and you want to see the next one, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Join the moving family. God bless you for doing that, and to all my old subscribers and the one to come, God bless you and reward you for being part of this amazing family. Guys, I hope you love what you are seeing. So the next thing now is to serve, ready to be eaten now. It's ready. So can you see the native plate that I'm going to be using? Because if you go to a real restaurant, when Isi Ewu is being prepared, it's not served with a normal plate. You are going to see a similar of what you are seeing here. So I will arrange it. So once I see that it's okay, it's filled up, so I will now garnish it with my scotch bonnet pepper, my spinach, and my red onions. Okay, please feel free to leave your comments below in the comment section. Also help me to share the video, circulate it among your friends, your loved ones. Guys, can you see? I hope it look yummy. I'm going to just munch a little in your presence. That's why you are not seeing my face, okay? So before I will now go and settle down, I will finish it. Guys, oh, if this Isi Ewu is really well prepared, before you finish the plate of Isi Ewu alone, you will not know. It's really wonderful, so amazing, so yummy, well presentable. Guys, I will leave you at this junction or at this point. Thank you for watching. God bless you and increase you. Okay, So watch to the end and see you again on my next video. Bye bye.